Okay, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm Calvin and today we're back to our philosophy topic. So today our topic is another topic that keep going on what makes life become meaningful topic. So today our topic will keep going to talk about how to make our life become meaningful as the topic is said. So in the last topic, or the last part of this topic, we already talked about the way we make the life meaningful by doing what we want. So you guys can see in the last topic, the theories that we use to do things that we want get we to have a lot of consequence. As for me, because I do what I want yesterday, so now my dad is banning me, or it prevents me from using the technology that I'm using to record video to playing for so long. So that means that, yeah, because I just do what I want, I play too much, and then he going to take the computer away from me. So that's my consequence. But anyway, that's not the things that you guys should hear. We're just talking about that. If you just too focus on doing just things you want, you will get a lot of consequence and a lot of bad results. So today we will go to figure out another way of making life meaningful. But today always we're going to focus on morals. Okay? So our topic today, or our part of topic today, we're going to talk about how to make life meaningful by doing the right things according to your morals. So because this is just the second part of topic, so it's not so fast and not so slow. It's just some same, okay? It's just so and yeah, it's not as long as the normal videos, but still we have one more part. So I think that going to split or spread the videos into a lot of parts, make you guys understand this better. Okay, let's come to explain about our theories today. So today we will go to talk about the morals way of making life become meaningful, as I said. So some philosophers think that there are certain things that make life become meaningful and some things that don't. But they rarely agree on what those things are. Why is that? Because their morals is different. Some philosophers think that going to give valuable for the society is the good thing. But some people think that no, enjoying the life that not interfere or going to change anyone's life go is a good way of life. But someone also think living the life that make everybody love or make everybody want to play with us and then going to make the society become more fun and better is a good life. You guys can see there's a lot of philosophy about good life, and also the philosophers have different opinion themselves. So that means when they go into debate with each other, there is a lot of different opinion that going to give that, yeah, is this going to good by morals or is not. So you guys can see there is some examples for you guys to know about the point that the philosophers think that is good according to the morals and according to things that is right or not. So the right things that the philosophers agree, yeah, usually is the creativity and improving people's life, the good for society, finding the meaning of your life, or discovering something new, or you guys can say discovering new knowledge, and also being athletic, learning and growing as a good person that have everybody to become as well as you, or you connect with people and animals that make everybody love you, as I said in my own examples. So you guys can see there's lots of way to live and doing things that you think are right, and also there is too many things you have to do if you want to do things that is right. So I think that it's possible to do this thing and still not have a sense of wonder of agreement, and I'm not sure what some of this advice actually mean. So you guys can see that is the word of philosophers. And for me, I think that these philosophers have some great points. Like, yes, we could do all the things that is right for our opinion as once, because that's just our usually life. I believe that there is no one in you guys going to do all the bad things every day. You guys go and try to do the good things if you guys are good people, and that means you guys are just trying to make your life become right. And that's also what you just have to do to make your life become meaningful. But of course, the advice that leads to the result from what you want is different. When you want to help someone, there is a lot of ways to help them. And of course, some way lead to the result good, and some way lead to the consequence that they cannot be helped, or some even lead to the consequence that they are taking something bad themselves. So you guys can see, going to taking advice to turn into the way of helping or doing something is very important. And after all, going to doing the right things to the philosophers, the philosophy in your life and make your life become meaningful, just still depending on your opinion. So there's two parts you have to remember when you want to make your life become right and meaningful. Know what you should do, know what you could do, know what you want to do and what is right, and then know how to find a good advice and advice that the closest to the reality case or situation that could solve the problem easily. So that's all I want to say with you guys today. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you guys on my next video. And now it's time for say goodbye then. See ya!